just imagine if one of those icicles fell on top of something. I mean, those are huge, especially this one over here. Look how long that is. I'm just videotaping the icicles because, yeah, I thought it'd be a cool thing to do.
I thought you were like canvassing it or something.
No, I'm just trying to get the icicles. So there's some pretty big ones, especially that one right there. I just finally realized like I had the time, I had the camera, so it's like, why not?